Welcome to this review of the Rotring 600 Loft edition. So this was a limited edition pencil made in 2021 for the Loft stationery store chain in Japan. And it's very distinctive by its yellow colour. It's now discontinued and really hard to get hold of. So first of all, the quality of the packaging is lovely. The printing, the quality of the cardboard, it's just really, really nice packaging. Originally, this was 3,300 yen in Japan. I'm not sure what that is in other currencies, but as I say, it's now discontinued. This has never been opened. So let's have a look at it together. Really lovely quality cardboard, this. So shall we have a look? And there we go. It's in a beautiful matte yellow colour. So here's the paperwork for it. This multilingual paperwork looks fairly standard. I don't think the paperwork is customised. I think it's fairly standard, that. Put that to one side. So let's remove this from the box for the first time since it was made. We also have here, so there's the box if you want to have a closer look at that. We also have a packet of leads here, Rotring, high polymer 0.5 HB leads, 12 of them. So here we have the Rotring 600 in 0.5 millimeters. This is an all-metal construction in the limited edition yellow colour, as I say. The clip is metal. See Rotring on there. Knurled here at the top. You can set the window to different lead hardnesses. It comes as HB as standard. Here's the cap. Pop that off. Cap has a hole in the end, it's yellow, and the eraser pops out to allow the replacement leads to be inserted. It's a standard eraser. Hexagonal to stop it rolling off the desk, of course. Here, hopefully you can see the knurling, really good grip on the knurling. And the lead tube at the front. Yeah, beautifully knurled and in the lovely matte yellow finish. The mechanism, yeah, I mean, the Rotring mechanisms are just brilliant. They just feel robust and fantastic. See how it writes. Yeah, absolutely lovely. Really good quality leads as well that Rotring use. This is the HB. Yeah, absolutely lovely. Yeah, so this is in pristine condition. This is a Rotring 600 0.5mm mechanical pencil, LOFT limited edition in the matte yellow. Comes with the leads, instructions, box inner and the box outer. Yes, so thank you for watching this unboxing and review. Please give us a like and subscribe. Lots more reviews coming up in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching.